Tower Hamlets is for everyone. There is no division in Tower Hamlets. At the same time, we also make sure that today, people of Srebrenica is remembered, that horrific actions like that, any form of genocide, should never happen again. And we want to make sure when we have a voice, we will stand against it and will speak against it. Srebrenica remembering হইছে কি আমরা বসনিয়াত 1995 প্রায় 8,000 men and boys were murdered. তারারে আজকে আমরা রিমেম্বার করছি বলে গোয়িং ফরওয়ার্ড এরকম একটা ঘটনা ঘটতো না। আর যারা যেখানে তারা আমরা রিমেম্বার করতাম তারার কথা আমরা ইয়াদ হইতো মনে হইতো we make dua for them that যারার উপরে এটা অত্যাচার হইছে that this shouldn't happen again. This was a very sad story in 1995 and we stand firmly against all form of hate in Tower Hamlets.
This is already traditional event that Council of Tower Hamlets organize on commemoration of the genocide which happened in Srebrenica in Bosnia and Herzegovina in July of 1995. Remember genocide in Srebrenica and educate people, younger generations particularly, about dangers of hatred, of separating people.
Running a restaurant? Your food deserves the spotlight. Currywalla Media. Let's make your food famous.
Based on their beliefs, on their religion, on their ethnicity, and work for the better community and better future for all of us.
Tower Hamlets is a place where we celebrate equality, we celebrate community cohesion, unity. We have people from all backgrounds, and it is a place where we say loud and clear there is no place for hate in Tower Hamlets or anywhere in the world. This event really underscores that very important point that wherever there is injustice, we need to speak out and not forget the genocide that happened in Srebrenica and say no to injustice, no to discrimination, no to racism, no to fascism, wherever it may be.
A privilege and a humbling experience to be invited to speak at this event today where we remember the massacre of 8,000 Bosniak Muslims in Srebrenica.
So it was an honour to come today and represent Tower Hamlets Council. We've made it absolutely clear that Tower Hamlets is a borough. There's no place for hate in our borough at all. So for those who wish to spread hate, please know that Tower Hamlets rejects this. We stand united, our communities stand with us. You know, we celebrate our rich diversity of the borough and we're really, really proud of the community cohesion that exists in our borough as well.
দেশীয় সবজির স্বাদ উপভোগ করুন ইফকো ব্র্যান্ডের সঙ্গেই থাকুন।